It's Tuesday morning, 1st of September. We're back in Bassano with Gabriele as well from the Cittadella team. Ferma, ferma! Oh. There it is, the Ponte Vecchio. We had very heavy fog to start with, but it's fortunately cleared away. And there's Rudy and there's Gabriele there. It's just nearly 8 o'clock. Buongiorno. Couple of oldies. Yeah, like a spring chicken that I am. Gabriele's on the front. Judging by his build, he'd be good on the flat mainly. Fairly strong, but he's carrying a little bit too much weight, apart from the hairy legs. Yeah. Dentro. Hey Frank, what do you reckon? Better than Gamareka? Oh, he's here. Mi fermo un po' più avanti.
Yes. Wow. 700 metri.
The roads aren't too flash here. In places, a bit broken up. Valstagna. As always, my favourite. Up. There it is. We're going to go up to that, I think, pink building there, right on the edge of the bend. Where, if I can point about there, and then we go left and we're heading up there to Foza. Gabriele, da qui.
Sì, sì, sì.
Yeah, we need divine intervention on this one. We just grab a bit of the climb. Have a look at that up there. Keep going. A section at 10%. There's number 3. I'll wait for them. Here they come. There's Rudy. You see the gradient here? It's pretty good. Look impressive, Kurt. Here he is. Va bene. It's Gabriele. Rudy's having a technical issue here. Keep going, keep going. Gabriele. Very tight, winding road. Just go wide over here and whiz around. Wherever he is. Yeah, the weight sure is an issue for Gabriele. He's taking it very easily, which would be good for Rudy, I guess. Have a look at that. Nice, isn't it? Up. And just over there, there's a rider right down the bottom, and this guy on the mountain bike going quite well. He's just done 7, turn number 7. Get a bit of a panoramic. Oh, there's more of the road there. It's about steady 8%, 7%. Here comes Rudy. And this is the Foza climb, Rudy. One of my favourite. Love it. First saw this in 2005, and I said to myself, I'm going to ride this, and I must have ridden it about 6 times already. Fantastic.
Here comes Gabriele on his Cipollini with record electronic and borer and tubulars. Here comes this rider, unknown rider. And there they go. Zooming up past Gabriele. Who would that be? Let's have a look. And on he goes.
The 16. I thought I'd wait for Rita to get up. Here he comes. It's a steady 7-8%, 6 in places. There's Gabriele down there. Oops, don't run into the fence.